Hi everyone, it's Haley with Travel with a Flair. Today we are in the beautiful port of Cabo San Lucas in Mexico, and today we are going to be giving you the ultimate port guide if you have a cruise that is stopping here. We are here on the beautiful Discovery Princess and we had an absolutely amazing day, but here are some things that you need to keep in mind. Welcome to Cabo San Lucas. This stunning cruise port is on the southern tip of Mexico's Baja Peninsula, known for its iconic rock formations, beautiful beaches, and vibrant marine life. The first thing you need to keep in mind is Cabo is generally a tender port, which means your cruise ship will anchor offshore and will take a smaller boat called a tender to reach the marina. It's a good idea to allow for extra time if you're planning for excursions, since tenders can sometimes delay your disembarkation depending on your group number. If you have priority status with a cruise line, you tend to be able to get off on some of the first couple tenders because of the priority with your status. Cabo offers a wide variety of excursions to suit every kind of traveler. You can either purchase these on board or directly yourself at the pier or ahead of time. Some popular options include snorkeling and sailing adventures in the Sea of Cortez, whale watching tours seasonally, ATV or camel rides, glass bottom boat tours, luxury beach day passes, and sport fishing trips. On our recent visit, we decided to skip the pre-booked excursions and see what options were available right when we got off the tender. Right at the marina, you'll find several friendly vendors offering water taxi rides. We negotiated a great rate for a ride to Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach, which are only accessible by water. This turned out to be one of the highlights of our day. The water taxi gave us up-close views of El Arco, and the ride itself was scenic and fun. Once we arrived at Lovers Beach, we had plenty of time to explore both beaches, relax, and take photos before heading there. Some quick tips if you're going to be doing this: there are no restroom facilities over here. There are vendors that do sell umbrellas, blankets, snacks, and whatnot, but you need to have cash on you. There are some additional things that you need to keep in mind when visiting these two stunning beaches. Make sure you ask about round-trip service with your water taxi. You can negotiate that ahead of time and arrange a pickup time that works best for you. Make sure you're wearing water-friendly shoes, pack light, and stay aware of surf conditions. Lovers Beach is great for swimming on calm days, but Divorce Beach has a very strong current and is an absolute no-no for swimming at any point in time. It's great for relaxing, walking, and photo ops, just not swimming. Finally, if wanting to see El Arco is on your itinerary, make sure you ask to see if you can negotiate that into your taxi. There are some taxis that just come right to Lovers Beach and back. There's some that stop for snorkeling, so make sure you negotiate what you want in your water taxi. We thoroughly enjoyed exploring this area. My daughter and I climbed up into the rocks a bit here. As you can see, there's some little sea life living from the tide pools that spill up over here. It was a really cool experience. I would absolutely do this again. We had a great time. They do take American dollars, so you don't have to have pesos on you. They take either pesos or American dollars, so keep that in mind. After we spent about an hour and a half here, we decided to head back. We had already prearranged for the pickup. Another great option here is to get pictures with the ship, so don't forget to do that. It was time for us to head back into town. Make sure you always have your camera ready. As you can see, the sights are beautiful and you need to keep an eye out for all the sea lions. They were definitely one of our favorite parts of this trip, finding them all over the marina area. It was so much fun. One thing to note is Cabo's port area is extremely easy to navigate. Within a short walk, you'll find shops, restaurants, and other lively local spots. We stopped for lunch at a trendy local restaurant called Outpost, and wow, this was an amazing choice. The atmosphere was great. All the food from the elote dips, tacos, and churros were absolutely unforgettable, and this was hands down the best margarita I've probably had in my life. They do take credit cards. This place is an absolute must. Everybody in our party is still talking about this restaurant. After lunch, we slowly strolled back to the marina to take our tender back to the ship. This was an amazing port day, so whether you want to explore Cabo's beaches, book an excursion, or need help planning your next cruise, let us at Travel with a Flair help you with your next trip. We'd love to help you get cruising. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this informational, and if you need help planning your next trip or cruise, let us know down below or by sending us a direct message on our website that's down in the bio link. See you on the next one. Bye.